In this video, I'll show you how to get super cool alerts that automatically adjust randomly. This allows you to give your chat a very personal touch. First, go to the Kicklet.app website. If you haven't signed up for Kicklet yet, I'll link the video here on how to set everything up. Then we'll jump right in. Let's get started right away. Click here on Alert Messages. These are the messages that get sent in the chat when someone follows, subscribes, gifts a subscription, or hosts you. I'll go straight into the advanced editor because it provides a better overview. As you know me, I've included all the code snippets in the description, so you can simply copy and paste them. We start with the follow alert and insert the code here. You can already test it by clicking down here. First it shows, "Thank you for the follow, John Kicklet 1. And if I click again, it says, "Thank you for the follow, John Kicklet 2. So it's already randomized. Of course, you can adjust them however you like. For example, let's change this to "Cheers for the follow" and remove the numbers here. When we test it again, we can see the new messages. The % here stands for the sender. You don't need to change anything in the back, just what's inside the quotation marks. You can add as many messages as you want. I'll copy this and add a few here, like 1, 2, 3, 4. When we test it now, you'll see a random alert each time. Don't forget to save everything. You can tell if it's not saved when this area is blue. Click Save, and it's all stored. You can, of course, do the same for subscriptions. It's exactly the same principle. You can use the same message. For gifted subscriptions and hosts, it's a bit different because they also include the amount. But don't worry, I've added the code for that in the description as well. Just copy it and paste it here. I'll test it once, and we see "Thank you for the host with 100 viewers 1. And then again, "Thank you for the host with 100 viewers 2. Here, too, you can add unlimited messages to create your thank you alerts with different variations. Don't forget to save everything by clicking Save. For gifted subs, it's the same with the two variables, just a different text. You can write whatever you want here. %, S always stands for the sender, and %, D stands for the amount. Again, you can add unlimited variations. This will make your alerts much more engaging. Don't forget to save here as well, and have fun! If you should have any problems or questions, don't hesitate to join the Kicklet Discord with the link in the description and ask. That's it from me with the video. Please leave a like and a comment. See you next time.